Hello and welcome you all in the foundation course of Linux terminal commands. In this video, we are going to talk about these commands, which are date, cal, uptime, shutdown, and reboot. If you want to know the current date and time using your terminal, it can be any shell, it can be bash or zsh, date command exists for you everywhere. Here you can see the date and the current time and your time zone. But if you want to know the date of current and you want to see the calendar in the calendar format, then you can go for cal command. You can see cal command is also useful if you want to know the calendar of a particular month. For example, cal -m stands for month, and I want to see the January. So 1. Here you can see the calendar of January month and the current year. If you want to know the calendar of whole year, then you can go for cal-y and 2020. It will show us the calendar of 2020. And the highlighted day is the current day. Alright, so that's all about the cal command. Next thing, if you want to know about for how long the computer is switched on, then you can use the command uptime. This will show us for how long the computer is switched on. That means this is the time, this is the current time, alright. And 4 hours and 34 minutes are spent while the computer is switched on. And it doesn't mean that I have been using this computer for 4 hours and 34 minutes. It means the computer is switched on, whether it's in hibernation state or suspend state or lock state, whatever. If it is switched on, then uptime will go on continue. Alright, using this you can see your uptime. And if you want to shut down your PC using terminal, then you can use the command shut down, and then you need the time, and for time we can give now. It will shut down the computer now. I cannot show the execution of this command as the recording going on, but if you want to shut down using terminal, you can use shut down now. And if you want to restart your computer from the terminal, you can use reboot. This is a direct command for restarting your computer. It will switch off and then it will boot up again. And if you want to reboot using shutdown command, then you can also go for shutdown --reboot. Yes. Or you can go for shutdown -r. We can verify that with the man command that we already know about from the previous section. Here you can see -r stands for -reboot. That will reboot the machine. Alright. So that's all for now. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video soon.